Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and here to answer some of your legal questions. So, Tina, what can be accomplished in an initial appearance on a modification of support?
All right, at an initial appearance on a modification of support proceeding, let's see, if the parties agree to what you put in your petition that says, you know what, I lost my job because the factory I worked for is now closed and it's in the newspaper, you know what, the judge might issue a temporary order ceasing your support, lowering your support, and most likely the court will also ask that you give proof of if you're receiving unemployment, severance, what's your job search look like? But you never know. At the initial appearance, the both of you could agree, you know what, that order of support's a little too high. I know what your financial circumstances are, so we're going to agree. A mod can also mean not only modifying child support, maybe your children never had daycare and all of a sudden daycare is an issue and somebody needs daycare for work purposes. So you want the court to order it, or you want the court to now order health insurance because that wasn't part of your court order, or you want the court to order that the parents share in the cost of any expense that's not covered by medical insurance, dental, optical. And one of the most common modification petitions are asking the court to order orthodontia work for children. And that becomes a question of, was it necessary, or is it cosmetic? Ding. Or do you really need it and it's medically necessary so that your child can actually chew properly or whatever's going on in their mouth? So those are a couple of examples that could happen. But again, if you can't agree, you're going to trial and there's going to be more appearances. So with that said, watch for our future discussions and back and forth banter on what that exactly is like. Right, Tim?
Correct.